How to fix 0x8007012a and install error in Windows 11. 1. Disconnect all unused external peripherals. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Start Windows Update and bit service in services.msc. 4. Clear software distribution folder. Run these commands as admin. netstop wowserve netstop bits clear items at c:\windows\soft_twa redistribution 5. Run sfc and dism as admin. 6. Google how to reset Windows Update components, fast. 7. Manually download the update via Microsoft Update Catalog.